Now that we have understood the accounting system and the process and the resulting financial statements, let us now see how these financial statements are generated through the transactions. So let us understand various transactions in business, for which today we will be visiting Raj's Cafe. Let us go to Raj's Cafe and see what he is doing to understand the financial performance of his business. Let's go to Raj's Cafe. Hello Raj.
Hello, ma'am.
Good to see you.
I'm so delighted to see you.
Yeah.
Welcome to my cafe.
Yeah. How's business? It looks that everything is going on very well and you have a lot of crowd. But you look very pensive today.
As you see, business is good, so many customers, but there are so many papers and so many numbers around here. I'm very confused with all this.
Okay, why don't you tell me how you started this business first? What are the transactions and how you started this whole thing?
Sure, let me just give you a background. So, since my undergraduation days, I was really interested to open a cafe. So, I thought after coming to MBA here, many students want some food outside the mess food. They are very bored of it. And many a times they just want to pick up a coffee on their way to class or just pick up a sandwich. So, I thought, why not utilize this opportunity to open up a new cafe? So,
That's good, delightful. Yeah, I believe you are doing very well. How is your business?
I'm not sure how I'm doing, though the sales are quite a lot, but I have no system in place to determine what my profits are. So maybe that's what I'm really confused, if you could help me out with it.
Okay, why don't you just list out some of the transactions that has occurred from day one? If you can tell us, then I can try and help you. But Raj, remember one thing, although I will be able to help you in a structured way for some time, but you must take help of either a professional or a software so that your accounting is done systematically when it expands.
Yeah, that makes complete sense. But if you could give me an overview, yeah. Sure, so let me just tell you how I started it. So I started with my business with an investment of $10,000. Yeah, and for this place, this is a 1,000 square feet place, and I paid a deposit of $1,000, and my monthly rent is $400, and this is the receipt for that.
So I see that you have all the evidences along with the transaction. That's pretty good because for accounting you need evidence, and that is useful because they provide some kind of support to whatever transaction has happened. Yeah.
So yeah, I
Good.
made sure I have
Yeah.
evidence. Yeah, and the other thing is that, as you see, we have equipment like
Yeah.
oven, baking trays,
Okay.
and many storage cans or coffee vending machine.
Okay.
And all those together costed me around $5,000.
Oh, okay.
And these are the receipts for all the equipment.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. And then what did you do? How did you set up the whole business after that?
Yeah, so I mean, the first and foremost thing was the furniture, like the tables, chairs, the sofas. So that costed me around $3,500, both indoor and outdoor combined.
Did you have some interior decorator or somebody?
So one of my friends was into interior decoration, so she just helped me out.
Oh, no cost?
No cost.
Oh, okay, that's good.
And
Yeah, this is
the
okay.
yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
And post that, so I realized after so much investment, I was running out of cash.
Okay.
So I borrowed 6,000 from my father.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So yeah, so I've kept a record of that as well.
Okay.
And the other thing was that I need inventory daily for making coffee or making
So what are your
sandwich.
products? What kind of products do you sell here?
Yeah, so essentially it's a cafe where we sell ready-to-eat food and
Yeah.
just something which can be picked up on the way. So like
Okay.
essentially sandwiches, bagels,
Okay.
or soup, or
Okay.
coffee.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I'm very hungry.
Sure, should we order something for
Yeah,
you?
maybe.
Yeah,
After
definitely.
I
I'll,
just understand.
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, as I was mentioning, inventory comes out to be almost around $6,000, and
Okay.
everything is in cash.
Okay.
So I pay $6,000 in cash, and these are the essential items which I purchase.
That's nice. Yeah, but Raj, you must remember cash transactions are always not good and it's not very safe to have cash transactions. So sometimes you must move to cashless.
Okay, I'll think
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah, that's good.
Sure.
What else?
Yeah, and then maybe I can just tell you about my total sales for the month.
Okay.
So I calculated that to be around $9,000, everything combined, like coffee plus sandwiches and all other items. And yeah, this is the total our total sales were 9,000 and all in cash. Yeah,
Cash.
yeah. But I'll keep in mind about cashless transactions.
Let me just take a look at all
Sure.
your bills. So you have numbered them, and they also tell me to whom. Yeah, obviously not to whom. I don't think you're recording anybody's name here because it's all cash transactions. But it's good. Yeah, I see you have made a lot of sales. Almost $9,000 of sales you have made in this month. That's good. Pretty good. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but there were definitely some expenses involved along
Yeah.
with it, like the utility charges, the electricity,
Okay.
and the raw material purchases. And the
Okay.
one other thing which we attract customers by is by providing internet services.
Oh, that's
so
good.
we have free Wi-Fi service here.
that's
So I
good.
thought that is like for the greater good.
Oh, okay.
Students have so many assignments to do here.
Yeah, so
Wi-Fi
they'll sit
is-
here and
yeah.
do that. Yeah, that's
So
good.
Wi-Fi
Pretty
is
good.
of like utmost
Yeah.
importance to them.
So, what kind of bills you have for
yeah.
that?
So
You have
essentially,
paid all these as well?
yeah, I've paid this for the last month.
okay.
Yeah. So essentially, I paid utility charges of $200.
Okay.
Then I had some office basic stationery that
Okay.
cost me around $50,
Okay.
and Wi-Fi and internet expenses were around $100.
Okay.
And these are the bills for that.
Okay, that's very good. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Any other expenses?
Yeah,
Anything
I pay
else?
rent at the end of the month.
Okay.
That too in cash,
Okay.
and I paid 400.
Okay.
So this is the receipt for the rent.
Okay.
I paid 400 at the end of the
That's
month.
good. Pretty lot. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Any other expenses?
Yeah, so essentially, ma'am, I couldn't handle the work operations on my own. So I have one other person helping me out,
Okay.
and I pay him a monthly salary of $300.
Okay. Does he come full time?
No, he comes part time, as in I have classes from 8 in the morning till say around
Oh.
4 in the evening.
Yeah,
that
you're
time he
also
handles.
studying a lot.
Yeah, so I try not to miss my classes. So that
Okay.
time he handles, and post that I take it up.
That's good. So you have his receipt as well?
Yeah, so this is his payment slip.
Good, Raj. Now what I will do is I will take all these and I will try and help you out to understand accounting through a simple accounting equation. And after that we will see whether you have made profit or loss.
Yeah, that would
How
be
does
great.
it sound? Yeah,
that
good.
would be
So
great.
I think I have earned my coffee, Raj.
Yeah, definitely. I'll just order one for you.
Yeah, I will give you some cash as well.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much, Raj.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll try and see how best to put all
Sure.
this and then we will get back.
Yeah, that'll be very helpful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.